Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to change user ID of a user and group ID of a group in Linux. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do is first let's go ahead and check our /etc/pass wd directory, and after we check it, let's take a look at our usernames. Okay, let's just say that I wanted to change the user ID of David. Okay, that particular username. Okay, so this is the command that you need to enter. It's user. So please note that if you are not using the root account, you need to use sudo. Okay, so type user mod dash a small u. User mod dash capital U unlocks a user account, but a small u changes the ID. So let's just change the ID to 1034, and let's just type the username, and when I hit enter on that and type cat /etc/pass wd, if I scroll down, you notice that it changed. Okay, their user ID changed. Okay, now let's change the group ID of a group. So first let's take a look at the group directory, and here let's just say we wanted to change the sales ID. Okay, and if you wanted to change it, we could type this particular command, group mod -g, and then I'm going to type 1045, and then type the name of the group. And if I check the content of the group directory, I could notice that the group ID changed. Okay, so I hope you learned something useful in this video. Please like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.